Hi, today we're going to talk about sauces. We're going to make four mother sauces today. But before we talk about sauces, let's talk about the thickening agents, which are an important part in the sauces. And the thickening agent we're going to talk about, it's going to be rooks. And rooks is a combination of equal part of flour and fat. In our case, will be clarified butter and AP flour. There are three type of rooks: white rooks, blonde rooks, and brown rooks. Now, those three rooks are really important, right? And we're going to use it for different sauces. In the case of the white rooks, we use it for a bechamel. Now, bechamel is one of the mother sauces. And the ingredients for the bechamel, it's a white roots, onion piqué, which is a half of an onion, spice cloves, and bay leaf. Look like witchcraft, but it's not witchcraft. And also, the liquid will be milk. Okay? In the case of the velouté, we need blonde rooks. We need a white mirepoix, which is onions, celery, parsnip, and leeks. And the liquid will be chicken stock or white stock. In the case of the Espanol sauce or brown sauce, we're going to use a brown roots, caramelized mirepoix, tomato paste, and brown stock. For the tomato sauce, we need plant tomatoes without skin, without seeds. We need some onions, tomato puree, and basil chiffonade. Okay, now we're gonna make a bechamel, right? For the bechamel, first step, we're gonna get the milk, we put it on the saucepan. We're gonna get the onion piquet, the onion, the bay leaf, and the cloves, and we're gonna let it on the milk, and we're gonna simmer it for 20 minutes, low temp, giving the chance to the milk to absorb the liquid. Next step, we're gonna take out the onion piquet out, and we're gonna add the roots, right? And we're gonna keep mixing it until the roots is absorbed and until the sauce get to the right thickness. Now we're gonna make the tomato sauce. Again, the ingredients for the tomato sauce: we're gonna need tomatoes, onions, tomato puree, and basil chiffonade. First step, we're gonna add some olive oil to the bottom of the pan, and we're gonna add the onions, and we're gonna cook the onions until they get a little bit caramelized, just a little bit of color, right? They go from translucent to a little bit of color in it. Then we're gonna add the tomato and the tomato puree. We're gonna stir this, and we're gonna cook this for at least 25 to 30 minutes. My tomatoes is almost done. Now it's time to add the basil. We're gonna lower the heat, and we're gonna keep cooking this until the texture is perfect. Okay, so it's gonna take a few more minutes. Okay, now we have all the sauces ready. We have the bechamel, but we use the bechamel to make a nice cheese sauce for our mac and cheese. We have the tomato sauce, and we make a nice marinara sauce, and we serve it with penne pasta. We have our brown sauce, and we transform it in a chasseur sauce with a grilled steak. And our chicken velouté, we transform in a chicken supreme sauce, and we serve it with a poached chicken breast, nice julienne vegetables, and the skin from the chicken. And that's all. All the sauce is ready.